Hey, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. This is done right even better, because we do it better than it was done original, or at least in our minds we do. At any rate, we work on a lot of cool old cars and old equipment, steel fab, just do a lot of stuff working on old junk that I think is cool. Hopefully you do too. The racket that you hear in the background is my boxer dogs. This is Sophie and Stella. They're the shop mascots around here. Got my wife running the camera. You'll see my son from time to time in these when he's around. At any rate, let's go pull the motor out of it.